Hello everyone, I am Bom Carrot. Today I'm gonna introduce you something I really like called Mayak Gyeran, which means drug egg in Korean. We call that drug eggs because once you try, you really like it and you want more and more and more. Okay, then let's try to make Mayak Gyeran. Firstly, you need to boil the eggs. I prepare free-range eggs, which they are really happy, you know, and also all different color like us. And they need to be room temperature at least 3 hours before you cook, so it won't crack while you boil the egg. And these are 4 cups of water in the pan, and you need to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Any vinegar is fine. They're gonna help you to make beautiful egg, not crack inside, and it will be easy to peel off the shell off. And shall we add eggs in the water? You need to be nice and gentle to each egg. Okay, let's turn on the heat. You need to cover with the lid. Let's have a look. Oh, once water started boiling, like bubble like this, you need to stir the egg gently like this, so yellow yolk won't go in the corner and be sad. Everyone needs to go in the middle. You can do it a couple of times more like this. Righto, 6 minutes has passed. Now you need to turn off the heat. And now our lovely eggs need to go and have a cold bath. Jan! Where are my eggs? Now our egg needs to have 30 minutes cold water bath. In the meantime, we can go and make seasoning sauce for Mayak Gyeran. 짠! Let's make Mayak Gyeran seasoning sauce. You need to prepare 150 ml of soy sauce and 10 tablespoons of water and 10 spoons of honey. Righto! And then now you need to chop the 2 onions and cut spring onions bottom, hairy bottom. And then chop them really thin. Look! And then now you need to add them in the sauce. Jan. And now you need to chop our lovely onion. Cut it half and then give little bit of cut like this. chop really thin and small. Smaller than ant. Okay. I'm crying. I hope you don't cry with onion. She's nice. And add very attractive onion. Done.
It's not that sad.
It's not that sad. Now you show how much I love onion. Was difficult one to cut. But next one won't make you cry. Lovely our pepper. You can chop this lady as well. Chop lengthwise first. Now then, you can chop super tiny, 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 tiny team, tiny, 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 tiny. I'm still crying. Tiny. Okie dokie. Shall we put them in the sauce? Oh, colorful. And now I prepare spicy chili. I love spicy food, so I'm gonna put it in the sauce, but if you don't like it, you don't need to put. Done. Chop as tiny piece. Choo, 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 choo. Too much. Maybe we can put only little. Righto. Now we can add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. And mix them very well. Sauce is ready. Now we need to peel the egg, but I don't want to do that. 슈퍼보드래요, come and help me. Thank you, 슈퍼보드래요. Now you need to add egg and sauce in the jar. And sauce. Now our drugged egg needs to go and have a rest in refrigerator for 5 hours to 7 hours or overnight. So take a time, my love, and see you later. Bye! Oh, yeah! Good morning! Good morning! I think our drugged egg is ready now. Let's have a look. Ah, smell is fabulous. Let's have a look inside as well. Where are you? Oh, here she is. Look. Oh, our egg turned to the brown autumn color. Exciting. So now then, I will tell you how to enjoy our drug egg. I prepare like cooked rice like this. And then I cut the egg half. Boop. So you can see yellow yolk is bit moisture like this, like jelly. 쫀득 쫀득, 쫀득 쫀득, right? And then you need to add some soy sauce we made. Also, you need to make this sound as well. And then try this. I really love you. So nice. Thank you for watching Bom Carrot cooking show. Today we made Mayak Gyeran. I hope you really liked it and subscribe